Okay. Suspension doesn't look too bad. What's happening guys? We hopping into a fresh video. We got the legendary Z over here. We got the new daily. She's still pretty stock, but we're gonna change a few things. Just a few things. First things first, this grill gotta go. I don't know what else to say. It's just too much. It's just too much going on. So we have the spare one right here. Definitely gonna look a lot better. So I'm gonna be taking this one off and getting this one painted all black, everything. So just have a blacked out grill. For now, this will do. This is definitely gonna look a lot better. So that's the first thing I'm gonna get to, since it's probably the easiest. I have the side splitter I'm probably gonna put on today. We have the rear duckbill thing for the trunk. This is gonna be fun to take off. I'm gonna be throwing this one on there. So I guess let's start with this grill and see how much better it looks. And of course, guys, we ran into a problem. Well, see, I got the grill off. Me thinking that this part right here is just removable, like you could take it off, which you kind of can, but this grill doesn't even have an opening for the camera. So whatever M340 this came on didn't have the camera. Therefore, this is not gonna work with mine. Unless I use this piece. Or, like, drill my own hole. Oof. What do you guys think? F it, just rock no camera right now, just to have it look better. Or just put this one back. Alright guys, full send. I just put it on. The camera's back there. I mean, I can live without no camera for now. I'd rather have the black grill on there. It looks a lot better. I'm getting this one painted all black anyways, so I'll just put this one back on when I get it back. I can live without the front camera for a little bit. I mean, none of my other cars have a front camera. I think I'll be alright. Maybe let's close the hood. See how it's looking. Damn. That one simple thing made a big difference. It looks a lot better. For sure, for sure. So yeah, all black will look pretty clean. The carbon one will probably look clean too, but I don't know. I think maybe all black will just look better, in my opinion. So we'll see on the carbon one, but all black for sure, incoming. Just gonna wait to get that redone. I think I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna come back. All right guys, we back. Your boy just had a chicken bake from Costco. If you know, you know. Use some fishing line to get all the adhesive off of here. It is ready to take off. Just like that. Yes, sir. So now to get all this off, obviously we're not going to be sitting here peeling it with my hand. That's going to take decades. We got this 3M adhesive eraser, which works pretty well. Doesn't damage the car or anything. So yeah, I'm going to get on it and get all this off so we can put the new one on. All right, guys, we pretty much got all the adhesive off. Bro, this thing right here, clutch, honestly. Like, if you guys know how adhesive could be, something that's been on there for a while, that shit does not come off. So yeah, for sure, I'd recommend that eraser. So I'm gonna clean this up, get it all nice and smooth, throw some double-sided tape on the new one, slap it on, and there it is. Way better. Looks a lot better. Obviously it looks kind of funky because the car is stock on stock wheels, but probably gonna get to the side splitters now and see how those look. And we also not only got side splitters, we got the carbon mirror caps too, because these gotta go.
One eternity later.
Got the mirror caps on there. Very nice. Side splitter. So I'll admit it does look a little funny like this. It looks like you got one that's too short for your car, but this is actually BMW style because of the puddle lights that are under here. For instance, yeah, because of this light right here. One company right now that makes it all the way to here, I'm probably going to be ordering that one soon because it would just look a lot better if it was just the whole thing. But these will do for now because I got them for the low. Got the carbon on the trunk. Looks good. I actually washed it up. And that's that, man. Let you guys see the interior at night. It's so fire, man. Been loving this car so far.
Next morning.
What's on the feet? We got the dailies. Okay. Looking a lot better with that grill, I'll tell you that much. Smells marvelous in here. Let's get started. Hopefully after today it's a little bit louder. I know it won't be too much louder, but it should sound feasible for the moment. So this is how we feeling, huh? This is what we doing this morning, Callie. Okay. I'm about to try to cut somebody off. Oh yeah, you guys are done. B58 coming through. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry to you too, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you. I'll give you $1. Anyways, how are we doing today, guys? I hope you guys are doing... I got a brain fart. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I'm doing great, man. Never better. 6 feet above. It's always a good day. It's kind of look like Texas right here a little bit. Yeah, man. Today is the day. Finally getting a few mods. Nothing crazy, but something that will make a little bit of a difference. So we have the, I believe it's AutoWork catted downpipe that we're going to be putting on today. The only reason I'm putting the catted downpipe is because, one, I don't want to check engine light right now. 2, I don't want to smell full 91. And 3, I just need a little bit more sound for now. Obviously, eventually, I am gonna go catless downpipe. I'm just gonna wait on that when I actually tune the car. I actually want to take it to the dealer before I put a tune on this. Just a few things I want them to look at, see if they can fix. For instance, like this thing right here, plastic piece, whatever this is right here. This thing vibrates like when I'm listening to music, hella annoying. And then like when I'm accelerating, sometimes the shit vibrates too. So I'm like, bro, can y'all like take that off and like put a new one or put some glue on it or like do something? Because the shit's annoying. I'm not too pressed on doing the tune so fast. I kind of want to do the cosmetic stuff first, just make it look really clean. I gotta see how the car's gonna look today after we lower it. I feel like the springs aren't gonna be enough for what I want. If I really don't like it that much, then I'm just gonna go ahead and order the KW coils. They're like 2 G's, but I mean, I'm gonna get a nice quality ride, and I can pretty much lower it as much as I want. And they are special orders, so it's probably gonna take 3 to like 6 weeks, maybe even more. So I'm definitely gonna try to order those soon. Come on, Breeze. Come on, Breeze. Come on. I really don't want to do a 91 tune on this car because I really just hate the smell, bro. Like it smells so bad. I'm a person that likes to have the windows down all the time, and over the years I've smelled it so much, and it's just like I can't do it. I have to smell the 85. So most people on these B58s, they normally do a E50 mix because you can't just go full 85. You gotta go port injection or just do the whole manifold that like comes with the injectors and stuff. I mean, just on an E50 mix, the 0 to 60 times with this car with downpipe only is like, you can get low 3s. That's not bad. With all these amenities, like this car's so nice inside, I'm gonna say it's an amenity. Like it's not even nice interior at this point. It's just, it's fly. Like it tell me everything. It tell me where you live at, nearest gas station, nearest Cane's. I'm Comfort Boys right now, but we're gonna turn it up a notch. Put that bitch in sport. Oh, you heard the engine? Oh, we gonna go down to sport individual. We don't need Sport Plus yet. Okay. Yeah, we chilling. I just gotta hear something. Damn, dog, is that a Tomei? K-powered. A-Fool? 45-year-old dog? K-tune, huh? Imagine it gats the shit out of me. Monica! Look what we got here. Yep. Don't like those guys. Yeah, we are headed to my boys over at SSR. they had enough time to squeeze me in today, so everybody's like super busy right now. My guys over at 412, they're currently like moving shops, so they're super busy. They're actually going to be like in the Burbank area, LA, so that's cool for some of you guys. Sucks for me, but luckily I got my guys over here at SSR, and they had some time to squeeze me in. Should be there in about 20 minutes. Yes sir, we made it. Young SSR Performance Doc. We've had a couple meets here. You guys might remember some of the old videos for the OG subs. See, I'm only half black, so I was only 2 minutes late. It works out. 340 boys. Entrance looks the best. What am I saying? We ain't low. 4x4 over here. I feel like I'm driving an X5 right now. Y'all wanna like let me drive the 720 while my car's getting worked on or not? Reserve parking. Doot 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 doot. Love this paint. The young Carby. So I got these little things that go right here. It's like a carbon piece. That should look pretty clean. I have another diffuser that I bought. It's not the one that I want, but for now it should be cool. I'm just hoping that this stock exhaust tips still fit, because I don't want to have to change the tips out. I kind of like this look. It looks clean. Let me see if my other side splitter's still on here. Hey, it's still there. Pretty solid. We'll see how it looks. Mirror cover's looking good. Doesn't look like such a grandpa car anymore. I need to get that grill to my boys though. Get that blacked out. It's nice. E90 boys. I mean, my bad. E92 boys. Clean. M4.
Many hours later.
All right, guys, we are back. They are finished with the car. Curious to hear how it sounds. Should sound a little bit better. I don't expect it to be like way louder or nothing, just a little bit. Just a little razzle dazzle, a little bit of sriracha. It's pretty clean. I never really liked this color too much, but it doesn't look bad. Okay, R888's in the front. I see you. Wow, I think I hear it. Oh, okay. Okay. Suspension doesn't look too bad. It's actually not that bad, and it's not even settled yet. It's not bad. One thing I love about new cars, damn, USB-C, bruh. You know we need that. Right to the phone. Hold up, hold up. Oh, wrong plug. Look, bam, just like that. My shit already 100%.